Most kitchen faucets are going to have an aerator, and these can wear out or get damaged. And trying to find a replacement that will give you enough flow rate may not be that easy. These tend to be limited to about 1.5 gallons a minute, and that's really not enough, in my opinion, to wash dishes. You want this to be up here about 2.2 gallons a minute. You will have to deal with the thread size on the aerator. There's different sizes. It may be a male or a female thread, and the flow rate in gallons per minute that this will allow to pass. This is the original aerator out of my kitchen faucet, and this is American Standard. A bit of an oddball thread. This is 15/16 thread. Originally, this had a piece of plastic screen across here, and over time the chlorine in the city water attacked that, and that started falling apart. Unfortunately, I threw that away before I took a picture of it. And in here is a brass orifice plate that goes underneath this washer, and that restricts how much water can go through this aerator. Now this one is sized for about 2.2 gallons a minute. The replacement aerator I obtained from Ace Hardware, and it has an outside and an inside thread. This is 15/16 and the inside thread is 55/64 kind of an oddball thread, so you're pretty much limited to getting anything like this from the faucet manufacturer. Yeah, there's a cartridge that goes in there, and that cartridge has a stainless steel screen inside of it. However, this is another piece of plastic, and over time that may be attacked by chlorine. That goes in here. And it came with this plastic orifice plate. And this orifice plate restricts the flow. And they say this is 1.5 gallons a minute, which is really insufficient for doing washing dishes in the kitchen sink. Now, how much water goes through here is going to be dependent on your water pressure on your city water mains or your well if you have a private well. And I was fortunate. I was able to take that out, and the brass orifice plate from my original aerator fits right in there. And you can see the difference in the size of that hole. This one is passing closer to 2.2 gallons a minute. Like I said, I was fortunate to be able to reuse this brass orifice plate. Had this not fit, I would take the one that came in the replacement aerator. I would use a number bit set to see what size this opening was and increase this in stages with a number bit drill until it was that size opening. That would increase the flow approximately from what is now 1.5 gallons a minute to about 2.2 gallons a minute. People list a 2.2 replacement aerator, but it doesn't seem very many people keep it in stock.